Bitnest has come to make our lives better. It has come to make lives easy for every one of us.
I've achieved a lot through Bitnest.
If you can study business and understand everything about it, then you will know where blockchain is heading to.
If I had not joined Bitnest, I'm sure I won't be here standing talking to you like this. In fact, if you don't join Bitnest now, you will regret tomorrow. It took 15 world developers to come together to create this so as to make life easy for people. So if you're there listening to me, please join Bitnest now.
Bitnest was designed to take away poverty.
What Bitnest does is that it gives you opportunity not just to be an investor, but for you to also be an entrepreneur. Bitnest is in more than 200 nations.
The smart contract is verifiable. As long as internet exists, Bitnest exists. I want to welcome you into your journey of wealth through Bitnest.
The Web3 technology in display, something that can actually elevate the standard of living of any individual to the next level.
Bitnest! It is a way out of property. Regret in Bitnest is when you join late. That's the only regret. So please, the real wealth is in Web 3, not in Web 2. And Bitnest is leading the way. And that is what we've introduced to you today.
The journey with Bitnest is a wonderful one. Something I will really encourage anybody to dive into.